So far, we have considered lot of incidental charges in the computation of value of supply. This is an attempt to make you more familiarize with incidental charges that we take into account for the valuation of taxable supplies. So let us have a look at it. For us Indians, no apples taste better than Kashmiri apples. A firm in Kashmir grows and supplies apples to the neighboring cities. It gets an order from an Amritsari stores for huge quantity of apples to be supplied after a month. The happy firm, after getting the order, immediately pass on the message to its employee who handles packing section. The man ensures the timely packing of required number of apples in a wooden box and place it for delivery in their storeroom. For this service, the firm charges Amritsari store as packing charges. The packed goods are then handled by another obedient employee who loads the goods into a lorry waiting outside the factory gate. For this timely service by the employee, the firm pay some amount to the employee and charges the Amritsari firm as loading and handling charges. The firm then charges transport expense for delivery of goods at Amritsar. To safeguard the apples from the loss of theft, possible accident, and all other losses, it ensures the transit of the goods, that is apple, in the insurance office by paying towards insurance expenses or insurance cost. The Kashmiri firm is so confident about the quality of their grown apples, they offer a special kind of warranty to Amritsari stores and charges towards warranty expenses. These expenses shall be added as incidental expenses to ascertain the value of taxable supply. Let us discuss about some of the incidental charges to be considered for the computation of transaction value. There was a company in Australia gets an order for multiple sets of fully automated washing machine. It has to export the washing machine to India. The company immediately transferred the order to India. The first incidental charge is with respect to cost of imports, which includes cost plus BCD except IGST. Then the Indian firm receives the order at their factory site. It later transforms the washing machine by incurring design and development charges. Then the company markets the modified product widely by incurring several costs such as advertisement expenses, publicizing with special offer by paying towards publicity expense, and other cost related to selling can be termed as selling expenses. The wide sales promotion activities via agents carried out by the company results into more deals. The agents are paid with commission for increasing sales. The company also gets a domestic order for customized washing machine from a lady in Mangalore. The company later delivers the product to the lady in Mangalore and charges for installation of the customized washing machine. It also supplies essential accessories for better use of their product. After few months of use, the company also sends its representative for servicing the washing machine, the cost of which can also be an incidental expenses and charged as after sales service. All these are incidental charges to be added in the computation of value of taxable supply for GST. A man meets a lady in a restaurant and informs her about the bulk order for higher configuration laptop. The person in the suit is a buyer and the lady is a seller. After getting the bulk order, the lady immediately rushes towards her office and informs her employee about the order and asks him to send a representative to tech expert agency for the inspection of the laptop to be delivered to the buyer. Her employee meets the expert in her office and takes an appointment with her. He then arranges for the inspection in the seller's firm. During the inspection, the expert verifies the laptop in the presence of the buyer and the seller and the employee and approves the quality of the laptop. The cost incurred for this entire process can be termed as pre-delivery inspection charges and to be added while arriving at the transaction value.